Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Peer Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Maybe share with a friend, leave a comment. All those really do help out the channel. So today's product is a great little product, especially in case of an emergency. I've been covering lately a lot of emergency kind of stuff, just in case you're prepared, stuff to throw in your car, or if you're on a camping trip. And that is kind of what today's product is too. So this is the box it comes in. It is the LeadNear Emergency Blanket 4-pack. It comes in this little round thing. There's 4 of them in here. As you can see, currently I have 2. They come in these nice little pouches. And so you can, because there's 4, you can share them with a friend, or you can kind of put them one in each car. But they come in these nice little pouches, which are nice and compact. The pouch is only 3.5 inches by 2 inches. Comes with this nice little D-hook. So you can, if you're going camping or hiking, you can hook it to your backpack. They don't weigh very much. It's super, super lightweight, so it's not going to weigh you down, which is important, especially if you're hiking. But when you unfold the whole blanket, it is 84 inches by 63 inches, so it's got a nice coverage around you. Now you're asking, well, what is an emergency blanket? Why do I need that? I mean, you've probably seen pictures of like disaster areas, and you kind of see they have those shiny blankets around them. They're basically designed to, it's made out of a mylar material, which is designed to reflect that body heat back into you. So if you're out in the elements, you can wrap it. It'll help keep you warm. It also is going to be resistant to weather. So if you're getting pelted with rain or wind or snow, it helps fight that off, keeping that kind of shock hitting your system, which is really, really nice. So let me kind of show you, like you said, you get these little packages which are nice and compact. I went ahead and opened up one here, and this is what it looks like. So on one side, it's got the green kind of look to it, and on the other side, it is kind of that shiny, which will help reflect light, especially at night if somebody's out there looking for you. So that's kind of the setup to it. It's kind of more of a disposable item, so kind of once you can reuse it and fold it up. It's kind of hard to get back in the bag, but it's kind of more meant like if you actually are an emergency and you use this. I don't think you're going to get it all nice and neat and folded, and it's not that expensive an item. So like I said, I'll include a link in the description that will take you to Amazon. So it's a very affordable item just for an emergency and replacement. But yeah, that's basically it. So this is kind of what it looks like. And you just, wrap yourself around it here if you are exposed in the elements to help hold in that heat, and kind of protect yourself in the need. And hopefully you never have to use this. Hopefully this is something that you never will need, but it's always good to be prepared and have something in case you do. So that's basically it. It's a pretty straightforward product. Feel free to hit me up in the comments section if you have any questions. I do typically respond. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you're a rock star. You made it to the end of the video. Now, if you really want to become a legend, help me out. Hit that subscribe button. And then it always helps also if you hit that like button and share these videos. Till the next one, you guys take it easy.